ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಎಬಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಮಾರಕ ದಂತ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಆವಿಷ್ಕಾರ ಸಭಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎನ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ದತ್ತಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮಜುಮ್ದಾರ್ ಶಾ ಮಲ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಹಿರಿಯ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪಾಲ್ ಸಿ ಸಾಲಿನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು ದಂತವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಸ್ತ್ರಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಸಮನ್ವಯವೇ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಲಿದೆ. ನಿರಂತರ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ನವೋದ್ಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ರೋಗಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರಿತ ಸೇವೆ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ಮೂಲಾಧಾರವಾಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎನ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ದಂತ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಹೆಸರಾಂತ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ತಜ್ಞರಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅವರ ಸೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ಮರಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರ ಹೆಸರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ದತ್ತಿ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದರು.
It's a great privilege for me to give this lecture because when I actually came to so many years ago to A.B. Shetty, it was in a rented building, and I had come from abroad and worked in different countries. So but what amazed me at that time was the enthusiasm and the vision plan he had. Even in oral surgery, in those days, he introduced sterilization. People had to wear masks, and this one in those days, we were not even using gloves. I think, if I remember correctly, he was the first one to actually introduce. So you see, a person's thought process, how far in the future his viewpoint is, ultimately determines the whole spectrum of the development. Today, when I walk through the corridors of this institution and how this has flourished and come to be, and those of us who have actually seen it in the early days, you can see that the tremendous amount of progress has, but it is in some way the vision he actually espoused at that time. Whenever he got to his office, I deliberately will put this picture, you will see so much of advice written on it. In fact, before he started talking to you alone, you were inundated with advice. Now, the point of the matter is this, that all these things he actually absorbed into his own self, and over a period of time, by some persuasion and perseverance, he has managed to achieve. And it is so wonderful for me to see this great institution, and Dr. Mitra was telling me about how this is expanded and the facilities that you have. I really look forward to seeing this.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಉಪಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಂ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿಯವರು ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣವು ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ಸಮನ್ವಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಬೇಕು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನಿರಂತರ ಕಲಿಕೆ, ಸಂಶೋಧನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸೇವಾ ಮನೋಭಾವವನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಎಂದರು.
Sridhar Shetty is a rare blend, as was rightly told by our MC, a researcher, a good teacher, a talented prosthodontist, more than all an administrator. He might have been very harsh to some students, even to the staff, but I was told the students went after his harshness. The more he shouted at the student, he was sure to pass in the examination. So that was his administration tactics. I should share this one incident. This happened way back. Dr. Zalin showed those beautiful slides where the college started in one's hostel, then shifted to the Mr. Naik's building, and this was in, as I remember, in 80s. I was driving down in my car and I suddenly saw Dr. Bhaskar Shetty getting out of the building, Naik's building, and running to the road. I didn't know what happened. I put my brakes and started. He was chasing a student. and they went round. They went round the bus, and after 2 rounds, as the student was very intelligent, he turned around the other way. But Sridhar Shetty was more intelligent. He also turned and got him. That was Dr. Sridhar Shetty. He had his own administrative practice.
Sometimes when I'm with the doctors and surgeons, sometimes I get a feeling that all of them have taken over my area, namely management. They all speak about strategic management, they speak about finance, they speak about arts, they speak about humanities and so many other areas. And I'm very happy that today's special lecture is on a theme that's quite relevant to you, and his lecture has opened all our eyes. And one thing that he has been advocating to all the young student friends is that dream big and make it happen. And while doing so, he said, people succeed not because of the facilities, but in spite of the facilities. If you are in a position to see resources around you when you don't have it, there is no doubt, undoubtedly you will become a great leader and you will become a great achiever.
ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿತಾಯ, ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಲಸಚಿವರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹರ್ಷ ಹಾಳಹಳ್ಳಿ, ದಂತ ಮಹಾವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲೆಯಾದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಮಿತ್ರ ಎನ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಇನ್ನು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಹೊಸ ಆಯಾಮಗಳು, ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನವೀನ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನಗಳ ಬಳಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸೇವೆಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಮಹತ್ವದ ಚರ್ಚೆ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಗ್ರಾಂನಲ್ಲೂ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೆಂಬಲಿಸಿ. ಜಾಹೀರಾತುಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸಿ 9845478858 ಅಥವಾ 9972528110.